So the ultimate goal with slope-intercept form equations is to eventually be able to graph an equation, and then we can use that to see when equations are equivalent to one another when we start moving into systems of equations. So as you're graphing an equation, you want to graph to be able to put x and y in for values in for x and then solve for y. So for instance, if we've got y equals 3x plus 2, and we can choose any value for x. So I started with 1. If I put 1 in for x, you will then get y equals 3 times 1 plus 2, which is 5. So a point on this graph for this equation would be 1 comma 5. 1 being our x, the 5 being the value of the y. If I put 0 in for x, you would get y equals 3 times 0 plus 2, which is 2. So another point on the graph is 0 because that was our x, and y equals 2, which is the answer when we solve this. So since we know the slope is 3, we can then continue to graph the equation by moving right 1 up 3 for each new point. And conversely, if we want to go left, because the equation does still continue that direction as well into the negatives, we would go left 1, but this case we'd go down 3. Hope this helps.